Assalamu alaikum students, this is our lecture 2 part B related to vocabulary and grammar, in which our topic is exploring idioms and proverbs, distinguishing between idioms and proverbs, the difference between idioms and proverbs. First of all, what is an idiom? In Urdu, you are much aware of the idiom that it is called muhavra. Definition: an idiom is a phrase or expression that has meaning different from the literal meaning of its individual words. मुहावरा वो होता है कि जिसके लिटरल मीनिंग जो है वो डिफरेंट होता है. लाइक इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर we have discussed in figurative speech idiom, it is raining cats and dogs. It means that it is raining heavily, it rains heavily. So मुहावरे का मतलब वो होता है जो असल में अल्फाज मतलब नहीं दे रहे होते, उससे मुख्तलिफ उसका मतलब होता है. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ idioms are there. Break the ice, to start a conversation in a relaxed way, not literally breaking any ice. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है literally that someone is breaking the ice with a tool or something. It means break the ice means that to initiate a conversation. The ball is in your court. It's your decision or responsibility now. Nothing to do with the real ball. The ball is in your court, that now it's up to you whether you go this way or that. It's your choice. The choice is yours. Bite off more than you can chew, to take on too much responsibilities. Not about the food. It's nothing related to the food. That someone bite off more than you can chew. मतलब जितना आप बोझ उठा सकते हैं उतनी ही जिम्मेदारी लें. टू टेक ऑन टू मच रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बहुत ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी ले लेना. कीप योर कूल, टू स्टे काम अंडर प्रेशर, नॉट रिलेटेड टू द टेम्परेचर. कीप योर कूल मीन्स you, the person maintaining his composure during the odds. Spill the beans. Spill the means to reveal a secret. It's nothing related to spilling the beans in a literal sense in our physical way. It means spill the beans के बात को फैला देना, राज को खोल देना, राज की बात सब में बता देना. Then we have proverb. Proverb means kahavat. A proverb is a short common saying that expresses a truth, piece of advice or wisdom based on experience. कहावत है जो एक मुख्तसर सी होती है, कॉमन सेइंग आम तौर पे लोग बोलते हैं, that is based on reality, a piece of advice और based on wisdom और personal experiences. जो हमारे बुज़ुर्ग या बड़े या समझदार लोग वो ने बातें बनाई हुई हैं जिनको हम अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जो हमें सीख देती हैं, जो रियलिटी पे बेस होती हैं, जो लोगों के अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से डिराइव हुई होती हैं, जो समझ बूझ की बातें होती हैं. Examples of proverbs: don't judge a book by its cover. Don't make assumptions based on appearances alone. कि किताब का जो है, किताब को आप जज नहीं कर सकते. इसी तरह हम ये एक पर्सन के लिए भी कह सकते हैं कि किसी का हुलिया देख के आप नहीं बता सकते, कि किसी का ज़ाहिर देख के या उसकी बातें सुन के आप नहीं बता सकते कि वो कैसा पर्सन है. अपरहेंटली आप चीज़ों को देख के जज नहीं कर सकते कि व्हाट दे आर इन रियलिटी. एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड्स. व्हाट यू डू मैटर मोर देन व्हाट यू से. जो आप कहते हैं उससे ज़्यादा जो आप अमल करते हैं वो मैटर करता है. व्हाट यू परफॉर्म not what you brag. Bite off more than you can chew. Don't take on more responsibility than you can handle. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. If you don't take risk, you can't achieve anything. No gain, no pain. मेहनत नहीं करेंगे तो कुछ हासिल नहीं होगा. The ball is in your court. So, what is the difference between idiom and proverb? A phrase with a non-literal meaning used in everyday speech and writing, express an action, feeling, or state. Example: break the ice, keep your cool, bite off more than you can chew. Now, in previously, the jumbled are given. So now we are distinguishing them. A complete sense with a life lesson, express wisdom or a universal truth based on experience or observation. Example: actions speak louder than words. Example: nothing ventured, nothing gained. Don't judge a book by its cover. Previously they are given in a jumbled form. Now we have distinguished them. Now an activity is given. Hina was feeling nervous. A passage is given where you have to pick up the idiom and you have to pick up the proverb. It is very easy to check that what is meant by idiom and what is meant by proverb. If you are given in a jumbled state, in a jumbled way, in a passage, you can simply check something that is based on wisdom, truth, reality, life experience. It is proverb. Something that is shorter, that is just for giving the state or feeling to a different meaning as compared to the apparent or literal. It is idiom. Hina was feeling nervous about the school talent show. She almost backed out, but her mother reminded her. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Taking a deep breath, Hina decided to go for it. When she finally got on stage, she stumbled over her first line, but instead of panicking, she kept her cool and finished strong. In the end, she was proud that she faced her fears. Now, it is very easy to kept her cool, that she stayed calm under the pressure. And nothing ventured, nothing gained means no pain, no gain. So this is idiom and this is proverb. Now it is given quick reference what is idiom and what is proverb. It's a recall here. Thanks for today.